Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Power BI Pro or Premium license to schedule, refresh, and connect published datasets. For on-premises data, install and configure the on-premises data gateway on a Windows server with a stable network. Understand the refresh limits. Power BI Pro allows up to 8 refreshes per day, while Premium increases that to 48 refreshes per day. Ensure service account credentials are available and dataset credentials are set to OAuth or Basic as appropriate. And confirm dataset sources support scheduled. In the Power BI service, open your workspace, select the dataset, and click Schedule Refresh to begin configuring the only way to automate updates. First, update data source credentials under Data Source Credentials so Refresh can authenticate. Use OAuth for cloud sources and gateway for on-premises. Choose frequency, daily or weekly, and then select specific times and time zone. Use multiple times per day within your license limits. Optionally, enable notifications for failures, and configure incremental refresh or parameters to reduce load when the dataset supports it. After saving the schedule, manually trigger Refresh Now to validate the configuration and confirm the dataset updates successfully. Monitor refresh history in the dataset settings to inspect success, duration, and detailed errors. Common issues include gateway offline status, expired credentials, or firewall rules blocking access. Resolve errors by updating credentials, restarting the gateway service, or adjusting query permissions. Optimize performance by enabling incremental refresh and ensuring query folding. And avoid scheduling full refreshes during peak business hours to minimize load and failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.